That's a big 18-wheeler there. You know what I like, folks, about living out here in the Pacific Northwest, Washington State? People don't honk out here. They don't honk their horns. They really don't. I mean, yeah, if a car pulls right out in front of you, people are going to honk their horns. But generally speaking, people are very subdued. They're not as high strung as they are back where I come from, northern Jersey in the New York area. We're back there. Forget about it. You could be in a traffic jam where it's no fault of any of the drivers, yet all the drivers are honking at all the other drivers. It's like, why are you honking at me? So someone's honking at me, so I gotta honk. It's like they're all sheep. People on the East Coast are sheep, folks. They're honkers. They don't honk down here. I don't know what they do in Los Angeles. Only been in Los Angeles a few times. Only went to the LAX airport. I would assume they're honkers down there. Can't really say much about Portland, Oregon. Been through there, but I don't know if they're honkers. Maybe down in downtown Seattle they've become honkers. But out here where I live in the suburbs, not a lot of honking going on, folks. And I like that. Honking doesn't solve anything. It's not gonna make the traffic go faster. It's not gonna do anything. It's just gonna irritate your nerves and your ears. It's basically a form of noise pollution. No, I'm not a honker, folks. Sometimes I'll go weeks, even months without honking. I actually did honk the other day because someone pulled out right in front of me. Okay? I gave him a couple nice honks. But generally speaking, people kind of keep to themselves out here. I kind of like that. And they're kind of self-reliant people. A lot of people wash their own cars, you know, mow their own lawns. And they don't need to honk. Even if it's... I've worked jobs. I was in corporate America for a lot of years, waking up at 5, 6 a.m., going to work in major traffic jams. And people still wouldn't honk. You can put that on the board.